Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a burger using paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need various colors of paper: brown for the patty, green for lettuce, yellow for cheese, and red for tomatoes. Don't forget your scissors and glue. A ruler can also be helpful for straight cuts. Make sure you have a clean, flat workspace ready for assembly. This project is fun and easy for all ages. Next, let's create the main components. Take your brown paper and cut 2 large circles for the top and bottom buns. For the patty, use a slightly darker shade of brown paper and cut 1 circle that is about 1/4 smaller than the buns. You can add small white paper dots to the top bun to simulate sesame seeds, giving it a realistic touch. Precision helps here. Now for the delicious toppings. Use your green paper to cut wavy strips, mimicking fresh lettuce. For the cheese, cut a perfect square from yellow paper. You can even add small notches to the sides for a melted look. Finally, slice thin red circles from your red paper to represent juicy tomato slices. These layers bring your paper burger to life with vibrant colors. It's time to assemble your masterpiece. Start with the bottom bun, then add the patty, cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes. Finish by placing the top bun on your creation. Use a small amount of glue between each layer to keep everything securely in place. You've just crafted a fantastic paper burger. For more great deals and to check out those amazing socks, look for the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.